must be there. But then the money we kept for her going back to school, after announcing that there will be strike, one man, engineer, Ibiam, came and said, please, oh, he needs some money. He was in financial difficulty, he needed that money badly. Then what we did, we take some money from that money we reserved for her and give to the man. He promised to bring it the next few 2 weeks. Then before that 2 weeks, they opened, they announced that the school soccer have opened. We didn't know what to do. The money we kept to our child, we have taken part of it to show kindness. So my husband said he wanted to go and sell his block. That was block, it was molding. Like I said, we didn't get a house in time because, well, we married, we are young, we married, no money, we started struggling, no house. It was my parents that gave me two rooms they gave me up till now. It's still my own, it's there. So whenever I'm coming, that time I was working at Jos, I take my children to my parents' house. After staying 4 days, I go to my husband's house. Mr. Ojuku, DSP Ojuku, late now, the one I said that love us not. He gave me a room in my husband's place. That time, if I go to my husband's place, that is in that one room stay. So after 30 years, that we struggle and get built a house. You can see what patient, being patient. If you're patient and serving God, there is nothing He cannot do for you. So the man didn't bring the money. So my husband said you have to go home to sell the blocks we started moving, which we take to build house. No, first of all, he said he wanted to go and borrow. First time since we got married, we have never thought to, even when I was alone with these children, struggling, I never go to anybody, not even to my brother or sister-in-law or any brother, say, give me this, okay? I manage whatever I manage with my salary with them, I'm just managing, okay? So when he said, because I learned that from my mom, instead of people coming, we're going to borrow, they come and borrow from us, okay? Whether we have, we don't have, we have to give something. So my husband said he want to go to one man, from Omakam, they are living at Lagos there, to go and borrow some money. When he be the man that borrowed money from us, bring it, we can't give back. I saw over my dad, no, they can't do it. I never see my mom or my parents go to borrow money. And since you left me alone with 5-6 years with children, I never go to anybody to borrow. Then now we can't borrow. As he said, the moment you go to borrow somebody, it will seem you are not, they may think you are eating when you haven't borrowed. Not to know you don't have, even when you don't have, they don't know. But the moment you go to borrow me, they will these people will say they have. I said, no, you won't go. Okay, I didn't agree. Then what he decided again to go and sell some blocks at home. That one I agreed. After it's our property, we can sell it since we're able to sell our land to make sure our children get the education. We can sell blocks later on. We can mold, even if we don't build, they will build for us. So he went and sold some of the blocks and brought, and then my daughter doesn't have to go back to school until the man, I think after 2 weeks or 3, brought back the money. So my dear, it has not been easy, but God has been there for us. So when the children were making us proud, they are very intelligent and very good children. And character, like I said, blessing, getting there within 2 weeks, it was appointed one of the 20 people to go to Port Harcourt for leadership course. Training, and the small girl whom people were saying, hey, are you leaving her? And then that kind of, that's God. My 2 other children, my son and my senior daughter, being prefects in the school, and my son being the neatest child in the school, being the punctuality prefect, is God. Is God. So when you are worshiping God, depending on God, there's nothing He cannot do for you. What again will God do for me than see me through? And making my children, wherever they go, they are exemplary. Like I said, they said in the school, I was one of the best girl in the school. In my village, they say it's the best girl in the school. And then my children took to God, made it possible for my children to that. Their father too was a prefect in the school when he was in the secondary school. Okay? So that is God. So we continue struggling at Ebute Metta. Like I said, I have to go to companies to renew my change my addresses from Nkpaja to Ebute Metta, where they will be supplying me. But before then, it was not easy, okay? And then I started frying granite. This is somebody who are going to oversee who come back. This is somebody who have been a manager in the charge of a department, had a car, had a driver, 2-bedroom flat. This is the woman. But still, I have to condescend. God say, humble yourself. When you humble, He will raise you up. I started frying granite. I fried 4 bottles a day. One doctor, my neighbor, they are living with Dr. Ben, So when they see what type of woman, will tell the wife, I will say, I love this woman, I love the children. The Lord bless him more than anything, as if it's their child. They are the people that insisted when Blessing was going to go to overseas after graduating at Esoka. He said, hey, neighbor, are you sure Blessing will be going? I said, she will go. It's God that will go with her. It's a citizen there. It will be easy for her to look for job there and endure it than fighting for job here in Nigeria. You go a year, 2, 3, 4, no, she will be frustrated. She doesn't have like stress. That God will see her to. It's better that she go. At least even if she goes, okay, so long as we have money to give her for accommodation the first time, and then money to be managing until she will apply as a citizen, she will get some grant than staying here in Nigeria. These other two can manage and endure, but her herself cannot endure. She doesn't like stress, and she will make it. So then that's it. I continued, and continue selling those things, and children supplying the chin and that, until the company started supplying me drink and all the rest of them. We were there doing until my husband was posted to Abuja. Okay, so when he was posted at Abuja, then I continued with my children, and later on, he sent for me. He was visiting every month, and he would come from Abuja. He didn't stay up to 2, 3 months. He once said, why there are some people a year, 2, 3, they were still living alone. That will show you the life. When you people love themselves, you want your wife, you want your husband to be where you are, no matter what you are passing through. So he said, I have to come and join him at Abuja. Then I was thinking, okay, this business I was training, at Bute Meta, I have picked up, the business I have picked up after the setback for a month or 2 of trying to get back my company and get back to my food. Then I said, how do I do with the children? Then all the same, I said, well, like God said, whatever I join together, let nothing put asunder. Then I will even see that they are grown up, they are much, because Uche have graduated, Noble have graduated, they are looking for job. So then I have to prepare to go. Then what I did was my little account, and in fact, when we were at Yanukwaja, I didn't mention. My husband bought a car, Beetle, okay? Then when he wanted to buy, government wanted to give him a loan to buy a car as a senior officer, but then he hadn't enough. Then I have 2 of us went to my bank, UBA. I withdrew some money and gave to him. Then he joined and bought that car. Do you know we went to, after a month, 3 months or 4 months, we went to church at Ikeja. Okay, there was a combined service, a cathedral, they were doing something. We have to go to the church there. And then, do you know, by the time we came out from service, they have taken the car. And then somebody who carried your family with the car, we have to go back. I said, God, where are you? That's a temptation. But after said and done, we endured it. Then it was later on when my husband came to Abuja, he bought another car.